Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about volume profile, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
So your job as a trader analyst is to, first of all, map it out so that when you're zoomed in on a daily level, we can't always be trading, seeing the entire map, just like you can't see the entire landscape when you're driving along a road. You can't see the whole mountain, you can't see the desert. So we have to create road signs and barriers and other things that will show us where those things are when we're zoomed in trading on a daily basis. That's why we get all the information that is possible within our visible range of our chart. We mark it up the best we can. If we have to, we zoom in a little bit without sacrificing the range, but maybe get a little localized area where we're trading to maybe see a little bit more detail and make sure we get those too. And then we zoom in dramatically so we go from a daily or a 4-hour chart, maybe down to a 30-minute chart or something like that, just to get a little more detail. And then we finally drop down to a 5-minute chart so that we can see the day, right? And then the lines that we drew and the big time frames will show up there. Those will be your support and resistance levels. Those will be the inflection points, the edges of topographical features that will affect price. Price tends to move up to these features, finds resistance from the bottom and support from the top. Sometimes it runs right through it if the momentum is enough. That doesn't mean that the structural level was no good. It just means that's what price decided to do. Price is not beholden to your idea of what it must do. However, it will react with those levels more often than not, the vast majority of the time. That's why we have to create scenarios. We cannot sit there and look at a bunch of levels and then definitively say what the one true path will be. Nothing is set in stone. Nothing. But we can see what is likely. And so that means that we have to create a number of scenarios of what is likely. And whichever one starts to evolve or reveal itself, that's the one we play. Each one of those scenarios, you need to have a plan. What are you going to do? Where are you going to enter? Where are you going to exit? And when it plays out, you act. But that plan should be forethought. It shouldn't be, let's do it as we go. That's idiocy. Because then you're subjecting yourselves to the whims of your feeble minds. And yes, we all have feeble minds, including myself. You are susceptible to the whims of the market, which are going to frustrate you. And if you let them frustrate you, it's going to make you make bad decisions. Everything that we do is about avoiding making bad decisions. The easiest way not to make bad decisions is to make them ahead of time and then execute them. But if you wait for decisions as they happen every time, the chances of you making a bad decision have been greatly magnified. So we have this fantastic tool that lets us plan out things and map out all our decisions in the beginning. You couldn't ask for a better tool. It simplifies everything. That's how important the volume profile is. It's what the pros use. It's what the institutions use. They're all looking at the profile. They're also looking at order flow, but that's for different reasons. They have their own art of war going on, as I explained the other day. We don't have to worry about that. We just have to look at the profile.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.